Welcome guys to another Farming Chefs episode. Today I'm going to take you some developments that happened on the farm, a small update. This farm didn't stop developing while we're out in Italy and since we come back. We're here for 2 weeks and so many things happened already. Let me take you to a little farm update, but before that I want to thank everybody that supported us post-fire, before the fire too, because without your guys' help this wouldn't be possible.
Hi folks, we're Sophie and Filipe, two professional chefs and regenerative farmers, on a mission to empower people to grow, cook and preserve nutrient-dense, regeneratively grown, delicious food. We bring you how-to recipes, stories that bridge the gap between the land and our plates, sprinkled with a pinch of humor and lots of grit. After a wildfire burned down much of our farm, we're working hard to rebuild our lives. Join us for some honest cooking, regenerative living and fun farm-to-table courses and retreats.
So, one of the developments is the roof of this barn. We lost the roof of this barn because there was 250 bales of hay and they got burned and the roof completely fell down. One of the things that Tim, me and Renato did was build this structure, set it in. And now I'm waiting for the roof plates to come in and set it up, and that will be a barn again, with a roof this time. All right. Now let's check Tim's bridge. So probably you're thinking, what am I looking at? I would think that, but this is what we call Tim's bridge. So this is a contraption made by Tim to protect our cables, three-phase cables, electrical cables, water pipes, so they don't burn again by allowing them to cross this river. So over there, there's a box with all the electrical cables that comes from the electrical post outside, and that goes to our house. They don't need to pass through a creek, but to take it to the workshop and to the pump, they need to cross this creek, and they were just out of the soil. They burned completely. So Tim came with this contraption. It looks like more of a viaduct, but it is. There's electrical cables inside and there's water cables inside, and they're never gonna get burned again. I can check them with this lid here, or I can check them over there. Well, these cables are gonna stay here forever, with fire or without fire. It's all working right now. Thank you, Tim. So, this was another Tim's thing. This is the box that receives the electricity that comes from the last contraption from Tim's bridge, and this comes to the workshop. So this gives me electricity back at the workshop, finally, after 6 months, I think. And from here also goes the cable direct to the pump. There it's about 200-300 meters further away. So we lay that pipe under the ground. Thank you, Tim. Thank you, Renato. It was a hard morning of work, but it's working again. Shall we go, Naughty? I have a big one now to show you.
Hi folks, did you know that besides watching these educational videos of ours, you could also be joining us in the flesh? We host culinary retreats all year round, and if you want to check out the specifics, you can go to our website. We have one coming up very soon, so come join us for some good cooking, some fun togetherness and some delicious food. Alright, back to the video.
There it is, the big red beast. This is our new open barn. I'm gonna have my workshop inside. I'm gonna have all my gardening tools here. I'm gonna have animal feed here. I'm gonna have probably hay here. So look at this thing, man. This is among us. It's great. Out of the sun, it will not burn for sure because it's all in metal. So that's a plus here. Let me show a little bit inside. It's not finished yet. It's missing 2 red panels here, and it's missing all the inside to be set up as the workshop is going to be, but that's going to be for later. Let me show you a little bit here. All right, look at the size of this thing, guys. Look at this, amazing. I'm going to have my workshop in this side, a table, a few shelves to put all the tools. I got electricity all over the place. I got water here. I think in the middle part I'm gonna have all the tools that's constantly going in and out from the garden. So all the gardening tools are gonna stay here. And on this end part we're gonna put all animal feed and some hay for sure, and probably some more things. But look at this, I have a bunch of storage place on top of this. I already start to put some things there. This is great. This is a hell of an upgrade. Thank you guys for all the support. And now we're gonna go for what we just finished doing today. Well, I say we, but somebody did it. We were just looking and giving a hand. Gonna see the last development of this farm. Let's go. So this is the last development. Doesn't it look great? Amazing greenhouse. Last week Sophie called this company and said, hey, we're very hurry. We didn't do nothing this year yet. We have to do some seedlings still for the season. Can you guys help us? And the guy said, yeah, I'm gonna be there Tuesday. Today is Tuesday afternoon and it's done. Looks great. Look how stretched this plastic is. This was set in 7 hours time. I'm gonna show you a little thing here. And this is it. Last update. Beautiful greenhouse. Now we can start our season. I'm gonna put this full of seedlings to plant our veggies for the season. This is it for this farming update. Thank you guys for watching. Farming chefs, peace out.